Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that might be affecting your health without you even knowing it. We're talking about magnesium deficiency. Magnesium is like the VIP backstage pass in your body. It's involved in over 300 processes. From muscle function to mood regulation, this mineral is a serious multitasker. And the thing is, so many of us aren't getting enough. In this video, we're going to uncover 7 surprising signs that you might be low in magnesium. We'll break down each sign, explain why it happens, and most importantly, discuss what you can do about it. So if you're ready to prioritize your health and feel your absolute best, stick around. Let's start with a sign you've probably experienced firsthand: muscle cramps. Ever get that sudden, intense tightening in your calf or foot? That's your muscles sending you an SOS signal, and often it's because they're low on magnesium. See, magnesium is crucial for muscle relaxation. It helps regulate muscle contractions, preventing them from becoming too forceful and leading to those painful cramps. So, if you're hitting the gym regularly or even just dealing with random muscle spasms, a magnesium deficiency could be the culprit. Don't worry, we'll talk about how to replenish your levels later in the video. Now, this next sign might surprise you. Did you know that magnesium plays a huge role in your mental health? It's true. Magnesium is a natural relaxant that helps calm your nervous system. When your magnesium levels are low, your body can go into overdrive, leading to feelings of anxiety, restlessness, and even difficulty sleeping. And let's be real, in today's fast-paced world, who couldn't use a little more chill? If you're constantly feeling on edge or struggling to get a good night's sleep, a magnesium deficiency might be contributing to those feelings. Feeling tired all the time, like you could sleep for a week and still wake up exhausted? Yeah, we've all been there. But if fatigue has become your unwelcome sidekick, it's time to investigate further. Magnesium is essential for energy production within our cells. Think of it like the fuel that powers your body's engine. When you're running low on magnesium, your engine sputters, and you're left feeling drained and weak. So, if your usual cup of coffee just isn't cutting it anymore, and you're constantly battling fatigue, a magnesium deficiency could be the root cause. Chapter 4. High blood pressure, the magnesium connection you need to know now. Let's talk about something a little more serious: high blood pressure. This is a condition that affects millions of people and can lead to some pretty scary health complications if left unchecked. What many people don't realize is that magnesium plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure. It acts as a natural vasodilator, which means it helps relax and widen blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. When your magnesium levels are low, your blood vessels constrict, forcing your heart to work harder to pump blood throughout your body. This puts extra strain on your cardiovascular system and can contribute to high blood pressure. Chapter 5. Irregular heartbeat. Why magnesium is crucial for your heart. Speaking of your heart, did you know that magnesium is essential for maintaining a healthy heart rhythm? It's true. Magnesium helps regulate the electrical signals that control your heartbeat. When your magnesium levels are low, these electrical signals can become disrupted, leading to irregular heartbeats, also known as arrhythmias. Now, I know this sounds scary, but don't panic just yet. The good news is that addressing a magnesium deficiency can often help regulate your heartbeat and keep your ticker ticking strong. Chapter 6. Osteoporosis and magnesium, protecting your bones. Let's move on to bone health. We all know that calcium is crucial for strong bones, but did you know that magnesium plays a key supporting role? It's like the Robin to calcium's Batman. Magnesium helps your body absorb and utilize calcium effectively. It also stimulates a hormone called calcitonin, which helps preserve bone density. When your magnesium levels are low, your body can't utilize calcium properly, and this can increase your risk of osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and makes them more susceptible to fractures. Chapter 7. Migraines. Magnesium could be the relief you've been searching for. Finally, let's talk about migraines. Those debilitating headaches can really put a damper on your day. While there are many triggers for migraines, magnesium deficiency is a common culprit that often gets overlooked. Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters in the brain, including one called serotonin, which plays a role in pain perception. When your magnesium levels are low, these neurotransmitters can go haywire, triggering those intense, throbbing headaches. So if you're prone to migraines, increasing your magnesium intake could provide some much-needed relief. Outro: don't let magnesium deficiency hold you back. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, and see you next time. Remember, always consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement routine. They can help you determine if you have a magnesium deficiency and recommend the best course of action for your individual needs. Now go forth and conquer your health goals.